This website review is on sparkdesignco.com. Now this is a web design and print design agency based in Vancouver, British Columbia. And at first sight, you look at the homepage and it looks visually quite nice. It's technically very competent. So we've got a clean logo, we've got fairly obvious navigation, secondary navigation here, scrolling images, a heading, and it all looks very neat, very modern, and certainly pleasant. So let's have a quick look on SEO, look at how many links there are. So except from this domain, entire site, 19,350 inbound links, and that's great. Now I've been through a few of these links, and a lot of them seem to come from sites that this company has made, which is great because there'll be, a range of other sites, probably a lot of them in the same geographical area in Canada, but it means that out of these 19,500 links, that quite a few of them might be coming from the same domains. So it might not count for all that many, but 19,000 is a very, very good number. Of course, this is only a headline number. The number of inbound links isn't the only important factor. It depends how good and valuable those links are. They need to come from a spread of sites. They need to have a variety of link text in them. So if we just look at a couple, let's just we'll take these three and we'll have a look at the site. So if I scroll down, you'll see website by Spark Design there. So the link text there is Spark Design. The next one, website by Spark Design again. So the link text again is Spark Design. Now there's nothing wrong with having your company name in your link text, but it would be nice to mix it up again. So it'd be nice to put website design in British Columbia by Spark or something like that, just to get a bit more variety and get some other keywords in there. Because what we're going to do with this, if I type in Spark Design, I bet we come up number one. So we've got, there's Spark Design here in Arizona, Spark Design Co. We're at number 2 on Google for that term. If I went to google.ca, type in Spark Design, yeah, we come out number 1. And the other guys are there down in position 4. So locally within Canada, we're at number 1 for Spark Design, but you have to ask yourself how many people are searching for that particular phrase. So let's go back to the website and have a look at what the website says it's about. Have a look at some of the on-site SEO. So I'll normally now look at the source code, and we'll look at the page title. So the page title just says Spark Design. Now, we're already ranking at number 1 on google.ca for Spark Design, so you have to ask, what is the value of using just the company name here in the title tag, which is something we see quite a lot. Look at the heading 1 as well. That also says Spark Design. So other than the word design, which is pretty generic, there's no useful search phrases or keywords in the heading 1 or in the title tag, which is slightly worrying. It also seems to me as though we're using the logo here. The logo is our heading 1, and it's got Spark Design there, probably as hidden text. So here's Spark Design. The alt text is, or the title is Home. Yep, title is Home there. But what they've done is they've actually got some hidden text here. It might be hidden off screen. Now you do need to be slightly careful with this technique, because you need to be very careful that the text that's being hidden from view is not going to be misleading the visitor. If it's not in the visitor's interest, and if Google can find that out, then there's a distinct possibility that you could get penalized for hiding text. And there's really no reason when you've got something text down here. So if I look at this element, okay, that's a heading 2 tag. And up here is our heading 1. So we'll look at the source for this page. Look for the heading 1. Okay, there we've got Spark Design Pipe Services in as the logo. So again, we're going over and over and over with this Spark Design, and I really don't think there's much point, because there's probably a lot more opportunity to get some other keywords that are going to match what people are actually looking for. You have to say to yourself, anyone who's looking for Spark Design now and types it into Google are going to find you anyway, because that's what the domain is, and the words are already quite frequent on the website.